young and brain-rot AI animal. Are you ready? This is the first challenge.
Bombombini Gusini, fratello Bombardiro.
Whose voice is that? That's right, it's number 16.
Bombombini Gusini, fratello Bombardiro Crocodilo, che svolge tutto.
Tralalero, tralala jumps on the floor, tapping sneakers at the candy store.
Rate this video. Who is this character?
Garamararamararaman.
Whose voice is that? Bingo, it's number 14.
Garamararamararaman dan madu dung dung dung. Tralalero, tralala, Crocodilo, Tralala.
Rate this video. Come on, try to guess that one.
Bombardana Crocolala.
Whose voice is that? Great, it's number 5.
Bombardana Crocolala. Bella Lady Mashallah Good.
So slow, wooden and smooth, got that silent glow. Bombardino, crocodilo, engines roar, jet crocs snapping through the ocean.
Rate this video. Any ideas for this time?
A boba. Tortughini
Whose voice is that? Bingo, it's number 9.
A boba. Tortughini Dragon Frittini.
Patapim, patapim, patapam.
Rate this video. Who is this character?
Bri Bicus.
Whose voice is that? You're right, it's number 7.
Bri Bicus Dicus de Bicus de.
Tralalero, tralala, Crocodilo, Tralala.
Rate this video. Whose voice is that?
Matteo!
Whose voice is that? Great, it's number 2.
Tralalero, tralalero, tralala. Crocodilo e tralalero, porqualà. Tralalero.
Rate this video. Who is this character?
Perri perro peroccello lemoncello.
Whose voice is that? Bingo, it's number 3.
Perri perro peroccello lemoncello. Suk punk schmo. Si tratta.
This time for Africa.
Tralalero, lero, tralala. Crocodilo e porqualà. Tralalero, lero, tralala. Crocodilo e porqualà.
Rate this video. Who is this character?
Il cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus.
Whose voice is that? You're right, it's number 6.
Oh, no. La
Tralalero, tralala.
Rate this video. Come on, try to guess that one.
Cappuccino assassino.
Whose voice is that? Great! It's number 12.
No, la polizia, no.
Tralalero, ralala, tralalero, larila, tralalero, ralala, tralalero, larila, tralala.
Rate this video. Any ideas for this time?
Top Toby, top Toby, top Toby, top.
Whose voice is that? Bingo! It's number 50.
Top Toby, top Toby, top Toby, top. Bukanlah unta biasa.
Whisper shh, so we won't get caught. Global fruit tortilla rolls on the sand. Watermelon.
Rate this video.